Today I'm going to be making keto chicken tenders two ways, one on the stovetop, one on the air fryer. Now I'm using the same recipe that I did with the fried pork chops. It's a half a bag of pork rinds that I just rolled and beat up. And to the bag, I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon garlic powder. I'm also going to add a little bit less than a fourth of a cup of grated Parmesan. Shake it up. Now I'm just going to take some Dijon mustard and paint it on the chicken tenders. All right, put the breadcrumbs here, and I'm just going to take each chicken tender mustard side out. Do this, repeat. All right, I have these babies ready for the air fryer. They went in 400 degrees for 8 minutes. Okay, I have some avocado oil going, about medium-low heat to medium-high. Cook these about 4 minutes per side. So we're going to call this chicken a one chicken recipe. Some of them did work. Air fryer worked. 2 out of the 4 avocado oil on the stove worked. The other 2 not so much. Probably should have used some egg for that. Is it supposed to be crunchy? I don't know. This is sugar-free ketchup. I can't just eat chicken without sauce. Oh, yummo. That is so good. Side note on the sauces, this is only for dirty keto folks. This tastes just like Chick-fil-A sauce. Not kidding, but it has soybean oil and modified food starch. Only dirty keto. Now for the one fried in avocado oil. Way crunchier, way juicier, better. I don't even care if this one's half naked. Back to 2 chicken recipes again. If y'all want an easy dessert recipe that's as good and easy as this, try this vanilla pound cake. It's divine. Thank y'all for liking, subscribing, and hitting that bell.